Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share reels on Facebook post. So to start, open Facebook. Next, tap Reels button at the bottom. Next, select the reel you want to share. Next, tap the arrow at the bottom right corner to share the reel. Now at the top, you can change the audience. So click on it and you can change it to public, friends, close friends, or only me. So let's say public. So let's click public and click done.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Next, you can add your caption if you want and tap share now to share the reel. As you can see, it's now posting and it's now posted. Now to find that, click your profile in the bottom right corner. So open it. So scroll down and look for the reel that you reposted. And that's it. So that's how you can share reels on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.